Introducing the BAVIN SC801 security camera. Insert, twist, click, and scan. Easy to install. Open the V380 app, choose available device, connect to your internet. Input binding code, connected successfully, high-resolution camera. Wi-Fi connection ready, multiple mode setting, PTZ movable control, infrared colored night vision,
You are under surveillance.
secured home with its alarm system,
Hey sister, kindly finish the papers now.
with SD card port, rotatable camera head, the BAVIN SC801 security camera. Get yours now.